Picked up a little something on the anchor. I don't know what it is, but it looks gross. Yeah. Better get that off.
I don't know how you can get that off. Oh, they missed us. We are leaving Half Moon Bay area. It's not really Half Moon Bay that we are in. Is it called?
Pillar Point.
Pillar Point, I think that's town.
Half Moon Bay, but it's Pillar Point.
I don't know. We're at Pillar Point town. I don't know. I thought I read something different. But yeah, moving on. That was a bit of a short stop.
Pretty nice.
I know, but we just kind of got work done on the boat. But anyway, we're heading out. We're heading to the Channel Islands. I'm very excited. They're probably like a 2-night passage away. So that's crazy. It's been a long time since we've been out for an overnight sail. I'm nervous and excited. We're in t-shirts and Lyndon's in shorts.
We're cold though.
Yeah, we're cold. We made the wrong decision, but at least we started the day out right. Our reef ring was stuck on one of the mast steps, so Lyndon had to climb. It's crazy! You must be getting over your fear! So this is a sail setup that Dale told us about before we left. When you're going downwind, which we've got like 8 knots of apparent wind. And we're going like 4.9 knots with this little sail setup, and it's actually quite nice and solid. So a little bit rolly, but I think that's inevitable for downwind. So it's nice, but bad news is we still can't get our wind vane to work. Been really frustrating. I don't know. We've tried so many different things troubleshooting what the issue is, but I don't know. I don't know what it is. So anyways, it's a bummer. But we do have that thing, auto helm, self-steer. It just is draining the battery, so we may, I don't know what tonight will be, but we may idle the engine just so we can keep that charged and steering so we don't have to. What?
So we don't have to steer.
Yeah, I know. I don't want to steer.
But we got the whisker pull out.
Yeah.
We got the first time ever using the cutter sail.
That's true. This is the first time we've used a different sail.
Yeah.
Because we never actually opened the spinnaker. Hey, that's great.
And this is like, I mean, if the wind picked up, we would just be pushing along.
Oh, I know. We're going great now. Like we've got 4.5. I'd say that ratio from apparent wind speed is pretty good for how fast we're going. Oh my goodness. my goodness. Wow, that is so cool. You can hear them. You can hear them. Can you shut that off? Oh my goodness. Oh, that is so crazy. You can hear them! It's already starting to feel quite dewy out, hey?
I wonder what time it is.
It's like 6. Not even that late.
We're buckling down for the night. We're gonna hand steer most of the night, which isn't gonna be fun, but whatever. You ready?
Yeah, it's only 7 o'clock.
Yeah, it sucks. We're at like 12 hours of daylight, 12 hours of nighttime, so it's gonna be a long night. Luckily, the wind picked up a bit overnight, and with our sail set up, the little electric autohelm was able to steer the boat, and our wind generator was just enough to keep some charge in the batteries until the sun came back up.
Yeah, they're right here. Do you see them? Here, give me that. Oh, they're saying good morning. No, this is so rocky. What time is it? 7? 7-ish? That's so cute.
Got him.
No, you didn't. He's on my leg.
No, I got that guy.
Oh, don't get it on my pants. No, there's another one.
I stunned him.
Oh, don't kill them on my pants. So how is that night for you?
Long, cold, uncomfortable. I think though, I basically was on watch from like 7 until what, 12:30? I think so.
Yeah, around there.
And that whole time, it was basically clear, which was the first. That was really nice. Tiff went on watch, and then while I was sleeping, all of a sudden it sounded like things were going a little crazy outside. I go outside and it's like thick fog.
Yeah, when I shone the flashlight, you could see like a thick mist. It was like raining, but it was mist.
Yeah, when we had the spreader lights on, you could see it going over the sail.
Yeah. That's crazy.
And then we did a sail change, changes. The first time we've ever sail changed at night. And it was a whisker pull, which was... We had a little bit of a whoops.
I think that was...
Somebody got their righty-tighty, lefty-loosey mixed up.
Yeah.
Anyways, and then Tiff went down and it was kind of foggy, but then it sort of cleared up again.
The fly is turning into my beverage. Oh, I hate them.
California, we hate your flies. They're rude.
They're rude. They stay longer than they're welcome.
They have no respect for personal space.
They will fly right in your mouth. Oh! Hey, oh my goodness! There's so many! Okay. The dolphins are back. We have seen so much wildlife on this trip already. Oh, they're right here! They're so cool!
They're cool. See them under the water.
I know!
Look at them right here.
Anyway, dolphins are back. We've seen a lot of wildlife. Today has been so mellow. We're both really tired. But it's been really nice. This is the longest we've ever sailed, like consecutively to date, which is really awesome. And we've had great wind the whole time. The seas are just really, there's a couple of different swells, so you really get knocked around, which is a little uncomfortable. But we've got the same sail setup as we did yesterday. It worked for us really well, so we're doing it again. I think we're averaging like 4.5, 5 knots today. I'm gonna do some dishes. No, I'm gonna watch the dolphins. These are real dolphins, Lyndon.
Opposed to...
Porpoises.
Oh. Well, it is what, 4:30, 5 o'clock?
No. I don't think it's that late, is it?
4:35.
Is it really?
The seas have calmed down a little bit, which is really nice. I think our wind is supposed to sort of die off through the night, but we're still clipping along, still sailing. It's not as rough out now, so we can actually like relax and do stuff. It's amazing how hard it is on your body to just like sit and stand and like hold your head up. But it's been a pretty good day. Just making cookies.
Yeah.
Fattening me up.
I need more hobbies that don't include eating baked goods. The moon is so bright tonight. Oh, that wind generator. The moon's so bright tonight that you can't see any stars. It's actually so nice. There's no clouds on the horizon, so you can see the full horizon.
Just switching off.
Have a good sleep. So you can hear that we've had to turn on the engine because our wind died, which we knew was gonna happen. But yeah, it's just disappointing. But though that like last 48 hours was, we sailed the whole time, like doing really good time, and it was great. Last night was really rolly. The seas were more confused than the other night. Lyndon ended up hand steering a bunch on the early morning shift.
The seas are so big that I was kind of glad it was dark out and I couldn't see them.
Are you serious?
Yeah, because I think it would have been scary.
No way.
A couple of them, I don't know if you felt it while we were sleeping, but the boat, so it got lifted up real high and then it goes, but it like actually stopped all forward momentum.
Oh, are you serious?
Yeah, like we slid right back down the backside of it.
That's insane.
So the seas were big, but the wind was, we were only seeing like 14, 15 knots.
No, I mean I saw 18, but yeah, it was again like...
But only for a brief second.
Yeah, that's true. We are getting close to Point Conception, which we've heard from so many people that as soon as you pass this point, it starts to warm up. Yeah. So,
today for sure.
Yeah, well even last night like the air was warmer. So anyways, I'm excited about it. I don't know if the water is supposed to start to get warmer feeling, but maybe in our minds it will. Today has been so nice. It's been so hot. Honestly, like ever since we rounded Point Conception back there. Crazy. Been really hot out. The swell, like the seas have just calmed down. It's so nice. We've been motoring pretty well all day, but the wind just picked up enough that we can actually fill the sails. Again, we've had the sails kind of up, but just can fill the sails enough and get us like another half a knot of speed. So that's nice. Our ETA for, oh right, we there's a weather system coming through tomorrow, and they're supposed to hit the Channel Islands, or at least the one that we were going to go to. Anyway, we are going to Santa Barbara. We're arriving late, so we're arriving at like 9, and the sun sets at like 7:30, so it's going to be pretty dark, but I'm sure we'll be okay. I have no doubt. How's your book?
Good.
Yeah.
One of our patrons gave it to me.
Yeah.
Thanks, Robert. It's very kind of him. Yeah. It's a good book.
Lyndon always brags how fast of a reader he is. He's a real bragger when it comes to that.
It's so slow.
Look at that sunset. Look at this. So pretty. We're still like 2.5 hours away. It's crazy. You think that you're just around the corner when you pass Point Conception. Nope, this is a long coastline.
Hope you guys enjoyed that episode. If you don't already know, Xanadu is up for sale. So if you're interested in purchasing her, there's a link in the description below. And give us an email, waldesailing@gmail.com. We'd really like for her to go to another adventuring person. So if you want to come cruise the Sea of Cortez, now's your chance.
Thanks for watching, and we want you guys to know that even though we are selling the boat, we still have tons of footage that will be coming out in weekly episodes. So if you do like our episodes, make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you next Wednesday. Bye.